Another car has been murdered. This vehicle shuddered violently under acceleration. The owner feared a catastrophic engine failure. But the truth is really so dramatic. Who do you suspect? Fuel injector? An ignition coil? Maybe a spark plug? A check on the spark plugs showed nothing untoward. The oscilloscope check on the injectors showed all normal, so we could rule them out. But the forensic diagnostic scan revealed a code. A misfire code pointed to cylinder number 3. The coil was swapped with another cylinder, and moments later, the misfire followed the coil. This pointed to only one suspect. A failing ignition coil. Under load, it could no longer produce a strong spark. A simple crime, but an effective one. The culprit was identified. Case closed.